Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the daily data indicator. All right, so whether you are using the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you can find the link in the description. Okay, it's just one link, but you're going to find both the MT4 and MT5 versions on the same web page, right? If you want to download the MT4 version or the MT5 version, you'll find the links on the web page. Okay, so after downloading the indicator, you just have to head over to your data folder. All right, and then whether you are using MT4 or MT5, okay, just navigate to the MQL4 for MT4 or MQL5 for MT5. Okay, and then you go to your indicators. Then you can paste the indicator file here. For the MT5, perhaps you might go to examples and paste it in there, but whatever the case may be, just paste the indicator within your indicators folder, and then you have to head back to your navigator and refresh. All right, so after refreshing, you should find the indicator here. If you don't find it, then you might have to restart your terminal. Okay, so now just look for the daily data indicator, drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then we can see that there are quite lots of customizable settings here. The colors, all these colors, we're going to change this to black since our background is white. So you can see the customizable settings here, and then we have these values that you can also modify. Right now, this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it's called daily data indicator for a reason, right? It helps you to display essential daily market statistics directly on your chart. So you can see that this is an informational indicator. Okay, helps you track key data such as your daily range. You can see the change, right? This should be the change over the day, right? The range and the change and the distance from high, the distance from low, the spread. You can see the swaps for a short trade, the swap for a long trade. Important informations. All right. Important informations. Okay, you can see you can also decide if you want to hide your timer, because you can see here the timer is also being displayed, and you can see area being displayed. So these are very important informations for a day trader, right? If you're a day trader, perhaps even a swing trader, you can find some value here. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.